Flutter tutorial. I'll be talking about how to use Lottie animations in your Flutter app. But before that, I just want to request you, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. So let's get started. So in this application, basically this is my first screen, and I have used clip rect for making round image widget, and this is the border radius. Suppose if your image height is 100, then circular radius you will have to give half of your height and width. So if it is 300, then I'm using 150, then it will provide circular round image. So I'm talking about how to use Lottie files, Lottie animations in your Flutter app. So for that, I have used here image.asset, and inside that you will have to use the path of the GIF image which you will have to use in your app. So this is assets car.gif. This is my file and I've used it here. So I will also show you how to do it. Okay, so for now I'm just going to make it a gesture detector, so that when we tap on this, we will navigate to next screen and we will apply another image, another Lottie animations in that another screen. Okay, so for that I'm just going to wrap it inside gesture detector. Okay, so on tap, I'm just going to navigate it to my another screen. This is the show image screen. It is basically next screen. So inside this also there is the same image that I have taken, but I will change the path here. So for that I will have to download another animations. As you all know that Christmas is coming, so I'm just going to use this Santa image. So for that I'm tapping on this, and when it will open, there are several animations you will find in this Lottie files website. Go and check this. So from here you can download as a GIF. You can select it here and download it from here. Okay, so download is done. So let's go to download folder. There it is. So this is my image. I have already renamed it with the name Santa, so that because when we will use it, we will have to use the same name. That is why I have renamed it. So copy it from here and paste inside your asset folder. Okay, so in my next page I will use this Santa .gif. Okay, let's run this app once again. Yes, it is run. Now tap on this. There is the animation image. Okay, so Merry Christmas to everybody, and please do subscribe my channel, like the video, and if you have any query you can comment me, and happy holidays. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.